Hello, how are you?
Welcome back. Do you know how to make suggestions in English? There are different ways. We can use let's with an infinitive without to.
For example, let's see a film tonight.
To make a suggestion, we can also use how about with a gerund. Gerunds are formed with a verb and ing.
For example, we can say, how about buying some ice cream?
If we want to suggest something, we can also use why don't with an infinitive without to. For example, why don't we go on a picnic today?
Let's see an example dialogue. John, let's go out tonight.
Okay. What would you like to do?
Why don't we try that new Vietnamese restaurant?
No, I don't want to eat out. Hey, how about visiting Julia and Rick?
Let's do that. Why don't you give them a call?
On second thought, I'm feeling a little tired. How about staying at home and watching TV?
Oh, John!
That's all for now. See you in our next lesson.
Goodbye.